Hello everyone, welcome back to Practice English with Us. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We're really happy you're here today.
Today's topic is very useful. We are talking about phone calls in English.
Yes, phone calls can feel scary, right? You can't see the other person, you only hear the voice.
Part 1. Starting a phone call. Okay, Stephanie, let's begin with the most basic thing. How do we start a phone call?
Good question. A very simple way is hello.
Yes, just hello. Easy.
But if you want to be more clear, you can say, hello, this is Stephanie.
Let's repeat that together. Hello, this is Ronald.
Great job. Again, slowly. Hello, this is Stephanie.
Nice. Now, what if you want to ask for someone?
You can say, can I speak to John, please?
Let's practice. Can I speak to John, please?
Very good. One more time. Can I speak to John, please?
Simple and polite.
Listen.
Let's listen to a short example. Hello, this is Ronald. Can I speak to John, please?
Hi, Ronald. One moment, please. Discuss. Did you hear one moment, please?
That means please wait.
Yes, very common on phone calls.
You can also say, please hold.
Repeat after me. Please hold.
Good job. Part 2. When someone is not available.
Now, what if John is not there?
Good question. You can say, sorry, he is not available.
Repeat. Sorry, he is not available.
Another option is, he is busy right now.
Repeat that. He is busy right now.
Nice. You can also ask, can I take a message?
This means you can write the message for John.
Let's repeat. Can I take a message?
Good job. You're learning fast. Listen. Let's listen to a full example.
Hello, this is Ronald. Can I speak to John, please?
Sorry, he is not available right now. Can I take a message?
Yes, please. Tell him I will call later.
Sure. Thank you.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Did you hear I will call later?
That means you will call again.
Repeat. I will call later.
Very useful sentence. Part 3. Making simple requests. Now let's learn how to ask for help on a phone call.
For example, I need some help.
Repeat. I need some help.
Or you can say, can you help me?
Repeat that. Can you help me?
Nice. Keep it simple.
You can also say, I have a question.
Repeat. I have a question.
Great.
Listen. Let's listen again.
Hello, this is Ronald. I have a question.
Sure. How can I help you?
I need some help with my order.
Did you hear how can I help you?
This is very common in customer service.
Repeat. How can I help you?
Perfect.
Part 4. Asking for information. Now let's learn how to ask for information.
You can say, can you tell me the time?
Repeat. Can you tell me the time?
Or, what time do you open?
Repeat. What time do you open?
Good. Simple and clear.
You can also say, where are you located?
Repeat. Where are you located?
Nice work.
Listen.
Hello, this is Ronald. What time do you open?
We open at 9 a.m.
Thank you. Very simple conversation.
Short sentences are okay.
Yes, especially for beginners.
You don't need big grammar, just clear words.
Exactly. But don't worry. We will practice together, step by step. We will listen, discuss, and then listen again. This helps you remember better.
And hey, if you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to follow and share this podcast.
All right, let's start. Take a deep breath. You're doing great already.